This is Senthil Kumar from Caliber Interconnects. I'm heading the business development, and we are about 25 years old company in post-silicon validation and deep tech technology products. Today we are exhibiting our capabilities in autonomous mobile robots, specifically designed for warehouse application, and we have different Cartesian robots which is used for pick and place, and we do a unique business model which is more focused on creating custom solution. So most of our products are make to orders, and we provide take into customer confidence in giving the final products for their warehouse automation. So we are happy to be at Automation Expo, which is one of the largest automation expo in Asia, and we have a very good response last 2 days, and we look forward to participate in coming years. All the best for the organizers and the participants here. We look for more interaction coming days. Thank you.